Use OneSearch to find books and other physical items at the Clovis Community College Library and other State Center libraries. On the main OneSearch page, enter your search terms into the search box, like a research topic, an author, or a specific title. A drop-down menu asks which collection you would like to search. Choose CCC Library to search our library's collections, or choose SCCCD Libraries to search for physical items at all State Center libraries. Many items from other State Center libraries can be requested for pickup at the library of your choice at no cost to you. The items on the search results screen are sorted by how relevant they are to your search terms. The number of items found will be at the top of your results column. Item details like the format and publication date can help you choose from your results. Each item also lists its availability. For physical items that are checked in, this includes the call number, which is the item's location on the library shelves. To limit a search to only physical items, select Held by Library under the Filter Your Results area of the page. You can select other filters to help narrow down your results to just what you need. Use Format to select from different types of items, or limit to specific subjects and publication dates. Remember to choose Apply if you have selected multiple filters. Select an item from your results column to review. The record provides detailed information about the item, like a summary, a table of contents, and subjects. Tools at the top of the page let you send a record to an email address, get a permanent link to it, and provide help creating a citation for the item. All current students have an existing library account. Sign in like you would to access Canvas or your school email, and you can request items for pickup, create a list of favorite items, and review or renew your loans. For more help using OneSearch or any other library resource, please feel free to contact the library.